Sean.
And I'm Shannon, and welcome to our kitchen.
Tonight we're going to be making a hot Italian salami, garlic, and spinach pizza.
So get ready.
Because we food hard. Alright, to get our hot salami and spinach pizza ready, we need some dough. We have homemade dough. You can buy store-bought dough if that's your preference. We have pizza sauce, spinach, minced garlic, and fresh shredded low moisture mozzarella cheese and fresh shredded Fontina cheese. Let's get this thing dressed. Okay, so now that it's dressed, we're going to throw it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted properly. Alright, so now the pizza's out of the oven. This is what it looks like. And now we're going to let it sit for a minute. We'll cut it and we'll enjoy it.
All right, pizza's done. It's cut. Now it's time to food hard.